importance of using social media to build your online brand. Now, social media is a great tool that you could use to actually build your influence and build your brand as a leader. And it's important if you're just beginning, if you're just building a brand, if you're just learning how to do this. It's important that you have at least 2 platforms that you're on, right? I mean, you could go more, you could be on more platforms, but you should at least have 2. And I don't recommend spreading yourself thin, because if you do that, you're going to have more responsibility and you're going to have more things to have to worry about. And when you're just getting started, the most important thing for you is to be able to get your content out there, get it out there, get your audience built, get people that are watching you on a consistent basis and know, like, and trust you by the value that you give. So you want to actually have 2 platforms. I won't go any more than that. If you're full-time, you want to have 3 because you don't only want to have one platform. You could build a huge business off of one platform. You could build multiple 6 figures from one platform if you master that one skill. And it's important to be able to master one skill and don't spread yourself too thin. So you want to master that one skill. No matter what platform you're on, you want to be on that one platform and master those skills, but you want to have a second one as a backup, right? Because you never know what can happen with these social media platforms. And if you get shut down from one platform, like let's say Facebook, which is like king to everything, Facebook is a real good platform for marketing and to be able to build your brand on, but they have a lot of restrictions because of everything that's going on now, a lot of censorship. So you want to have backup, because if you could put in Facebook jail or something happens to where you can't post, then that's your business. So you want to have a backup so that way you could continue your business if something would happen. You have the backup. Now, if you're full-time with this, you would want to have 3 platforms that you're marketing on, 3. So that way you could actually diversify and actually build your brand up. And you could have the backup just in case anything happens. You have 2 other platforms that you can put content on. And some of these platforms, they work in conjunction with each other. Like I use Snapchat a lot with Facebook. Instagram and Facebook work good together. There's other websites that you could also use that work in conjunction with each other, so that way you actually have a brand that you're building, and you could use different social media platforms. I know TikTok is also good for branding as well, because you can make cool videos on there. Snapchat and TikTok, they're really cool to be able to market on Facebook and stuff like that, and even different things that you're doing online, they help a lot with branding. So you want to have 3 platforms total. I wouldn't go any more than that, because you could do good with one platform, right? But if you master that one platform, that's what you want to do, then you want to have a backup. And I wouldn't go no more than 3, because it's very, very important that you brand yourself, but you don't want to spread yourself too thin. And technically, if you had your stuff on your own website, that would even be a great thing, because nobody could shut down your own website. So you can put your own content up to where it can't be taken down, because it'll be on your own server. So no matter what you put up, it'll be up and it'll be there. So you want to do that, so that way you could build your brand up and be successful in internet marketing, no matter what you do.